Welcome back to What Rights. Let's go back and recap May the 17th, Monday, 2004, downtown Vancouver jail with Judge McGee presiding. There are three concerns here that I have about these proceedings. One of the concerns is the Crown Prosecutor says that the security guard was one of their security guards. The second concern is that Judge McGee said I did not need any legal counsel because it was just a bail release hearing. And the third concern is that Dr. Tamika presented to the Crown Prosecution that I might be possible psychotic, possible schizophrenic, and possibly delusion. And he did that based on 4 questions. You know, what does the Crown Prosecutor do? What does the defense attorney do? And what does the judge do? Why are you homeless? And of course I answered those questions the same way to Judge McGee on Monday morning, that a defense attorney or a Crown Prosecutor presents to the judge what the Crown believes is the truth about the case, a defense attorney presents to the judge what the defense attorney believes is the truth about the case, and then a judge adjudicates the decision based on the information given by the Crown Prosecution and by the defense attorney. I said, then why was I homeless? I said, because of psychological rape of character that mutilates personality by distributing verbally painted false perceptions of what I might be like characteristically. That's when Judge McGee sat back in his chair, put his hand to his face or his chin, and he says there's something wrong here. He knew intuitively that there was something wrong there, and yet you're going to find out later on in these segments that that judge did not take any action whatsoever to find out what was wrong. So those are the three concerns with that proceedings. I turned around on Tuesday morning, May the 18th, back into the courtroom again to hear the same bail release conditions that I had already said no to. I said no to these conditions because of the assessment that they wanted done and with their forensic psychiatrist, and I said no way. And but yet they just proceeded with another bail release hearing. So this is at least 4 times now, if not 5 times, for this kind of proceeding. So that time a duty counsel was present, Sokol, Del Sokol, S-O-K-O-L, who said he would represent me for that day only. He refused to give me a business card when I asked for one, and he said he would only represent me for that one day, for that hearing, and that was it. And of course I said no to the bail release conditions. They tried to get me to sign some papers, some documents as well, and I refused to sign those documents. So I want you to stay tuned to YouTube for more information about the alleged 38-day incarceration in the downtown Vancouver jail and in the Port Coquitlam jail.